triggers a deportation proceeding in a marriage-based case that has been denied due to no-show at the interview? Honestly, there's not one thing or the other that triggers this. This is really up to your officer. You know, sometimes you have officers that are just so gung-ho and not the nicest, and they're just like, okay, I'm denying this person. All right, here you go, NTA. You know, and sometimes you have officers that understand that this is not a priority, the person is not a criminal, you know, or anything like that. So like one of the things that President Biden has said in this administration is, you know, we got to prioritize people who are a national threat to the United States, you know, or who are criminals. But if somebody got denied for the marriage-based case, that really shouldn't be a priority. But that being said, the officers, you know, still have the discretion, you know, CBP, ICE, they also have the discretion to still send whoever they want to proceedings. So it just depends. I mean, there are certain cases where you see more proceedings happen quicker than the other, like i.e., if you get denied for asylum, probably 99% of the time, you will be immediately referred for proceedings, right? Deportation proceedings. If you have a conditional green card and your conditional green card is denied, the odds are more likely that you will be in, you will be sent an NTA, which is a notice to appear in front of an immigration judge for proceedings. So marriage is a toss-up. You know, it could happen, it couldn't. You know, so it just really depends. In President Trump's time, you know, every denial is a threat to you being in the United States. It's very scary. So it's different now, you know. If my spouse is in the military and deployed, can I still submit an application for a green card? Technically, you could. I mean, it's going to make it a bit harder for you. You really have to show some solid proof, bona fides, you know, good faith marriage, or your marriage is in fact real, and not that, you know, you guys just married out of convenience and because it's not going to be here anyway. So those are some of the things that, you know, I know that I did a video on red flags a couple of weeks ago, so maybe you can find that video where it just talks about immigration red flags. Now, red flags doesn't mean that you get approved or denied, but you just have to be really solid on your marriage and your relationship to be approved. I got my work permit and travel permit in one card through VAWA. Is it safe to travel considering I was illegally in the U.S.? One of the things that you want to check is to make sure that there is no outstanding NTA for you, or you're not in any deportation proceeding. If you're not in any deportation proceeding, that's what a travel permit is for, to allow you to travel and come back, okay?